Firefighters across France and Spain are racing to control wildfires that are threatening major cities. Authorities from both countries have appealed for emergency assistance from fellow EU member states. In the French regions of Gironde and Landes, two major blazes have forced the evacuation of around 200,000 people from Bordeaux overnight as the infernos move inland towards the suburbs of the southwestern city. The Spanish capital is also being threatened by wildfires, with officials declaring a national emergency and evacuating nearly 80,000 people from parts of Madrid and Avila.
A huge blaze is sweeping towards the Spanish capital. Officials are admitting that they are struggling to extinguish it, but that as winds eased, a window of opportunity opened last night. However, teams of firefighters saying that the two wildfires raging in forests between Madrid and the city of Avila are now merging into one unrestrained inferno, fueled this afternoon by increasing wind speeds. Tens of thousands of people have been forced to evacuate. Many of their homes have already been turned to ash and thousands of hectares of farmland have been charred.
La emergencia climática se va agravando.
Visiting affected areas this morning, Spain's Prime Minister warned that the situation remains complex and that he has activated the European Civil Protection Mechanism for emergency help from Brussels. However, firefighters have already arrived from Portugal, Italy and Greece to assist in quenching the flames and to create fire breaks and barriers around people's homes and properties. Wildfires are also raging near the French city of Bordeaux. A massive blaze in Gironde has already gutted homes and burned tens of thousands of hectares of farmland. Officials say firefighters are reorganising their response in an effort to prevent it advancing any closer. The flames are currently about 30 kilometres from the outskirts of the metropolitan area. Evacuation orders have triggered confusion and traffic jams. The French army has been drafted in to assist with policing, with more due to arrive later today to join firefighting teams. Prime Minister Sébastien Lecornu says the situation is unprecedented, with 32 large wildfires currently ablaze across the country, making this year already record-breaking for area of land affected. And as Europe heats at about twice the global average rate, climate scientists agree that more extreme weather events are to be expected. David Landy, RTE News.
Here, fire services in County Tipperary are tackling a number of reignited hotspots and high winds on the 6th day of wildfires at Slievenamon. Separately in Wicklow, a significant fire at Glencree has been largely extinguished, but some areas remain smouldering.
As the smoke extends across Glencree from the Garden County to the Dublin Mountains, so too do the efforts of firefighters. The fire here started on the 15th of July, with fire crews from across Wicklow and Dublin dispatched to support the ongoing operation. Units from the National Parks and Wildlife Service across the country, including Mayo, Donegal and Laois, have also been brought in to help.
The fire that burned last week has gone really deep into the peat and it's smouldering with huge intensity and huge heat down in there. So it can be decades, if not centuries, to recover something like that.
Meanwhile in Tipperary, fire crews are into day 6 of tackling a wildfire on Slievenamon mountain. Rising temperatures overnight saw more hotspots develop, reigniting extinguished flames.
It's a definite drop in temperature which will help us. However, there is a strong wind and that's going to help oxygenate the fire and develop the fire. So we're working very, very hard at containing those fire lines.
Back in Wicklow, it's estimated that over 200 hectares of land has already been destroyed by this now 11-day wildfire. As the smell of scorched earth ripples across the Wicklow-Dublin border here, Wicklow County Council is reminding people to stay away. That's due to the ongoing operation in place and the continued spread of smoke across the wider area. Sheila Naughton, RTE News at Glencree in Wicklow.